When you've reached this stage where you have marked out your two long pieces of wood, so we've marked them out, the two parallel lines here, and marked the waste in four places, the four places that we're going to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've done that, and that has been marked out accurately, your two long pieces of wood should look like that. Our next stage is to use a tenon saw and cut those out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the bench hook out of the vise, and we're going to place our piece of wood in the vise like that, taking the bench hook out. Then we're going to take the tenon saw and we're going to cut using the tenon saw. So we're going to put our fingernail down there on the line. We're cutting on the waist side of the line, just on the side of the cross, and we're using the whole length of the saw, standing behind the saw, using the whole length of the saw. Now we're going to make this second cut. What we do there is we turn the wood around and we're going to cut just down here. So we've made that cut down to there, so we've cut down to the line. Now we're going to cut here down to the line here. Again, fingernail there, just on the waist side of the line, using the whole length of the saw. And we've removed that piece. I'm just going to show you that again for the second piece. So we're putting the wood back in the vise this way. I'm going to put my fingernail there and a saw just on the waist side of the line, backwards and forwards slowly to start it off. Make the cut down to the second line, turn the wood round 90 degrees, back in the vise, fingernail just on the waist side of the line. And there we are. So we've removed the two pieces of wood there. We might have still a small amount of material to take away. We can take that away with abrasive paper. So once we've done this end, we now repeat that for the other end, and then repeat the same process again twice to cut out the two pieces of wood. So the two long pieces of wood, each end should end up looking like that.